Hey everybody, it's your boy JR back with another video. Today I'm going to be working with this squishy silicone gel. I don't know what brand this is, to be honest, but I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to be making two, I believe these are hamsters. I have to keep them on this on paper because of the silicone will make a mark on the, anyway, so I have to keep it on there. I think these are hamsters. I think this is a hedgehog, if I'm not mistaken. It looks like a hedgehog, but yeah. So I'm gonna be making these three things today. So let's get started, shall we? Let's. Alright guys, so before I start, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use a mold release lubricant in these. So I'm going to spray one of these with it and one without. And we'll see what happens, whether I was supposed to do it or not. Yeah, because I really don't know if I'm supposed to do it or not. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so I mixed up this, I mixed up 8 ounces and kind of lost some in the mixing. So what I'm going to do is just pour them in. I don't even know if this is enough for I don't know, I just don't know. I do know, I think I need to get a little bit in there. And then make sure the ears are like, alright, let me push this. Look at this mess. Oops, look at this, because you know I'm clumsy. I'm just a clumsy person. So yeah, let me just get the ears. I think those are the ears. I can't find, okay, I found one. Oh, I think that's the other one. Alright, to make sure that the ears have, okay, I think I did get the ears. Okay, cool. Now, oof, I might have too much. Oh no. Alright, let's see. So, let's continue pouring these squishies. This one is the one with the silicone. And this is the one without silicone. I mean, release mold. Mold release. Sorry. So this has mold release. That one doesn't. And I think I have to squeeze. Do I have to? I think I have to top these up. Alright. I think that's good for both of those. Do I have enough for Mr. Hedgehog? We will find out right now. I do have enough for Mr. Hedgehog. Okay. Alright, Mr. Hedgehog is full. I think that's full. And ooh, okay, that's definitely full. But I think this one needs to be the same as that one. Okay. Alright, so they're all full. I'm just going to, this is messy. Whew. Okay, I'm just going to tap tap it. Oop. Some bubbles up. Yeah, see? Get some bubbles up. And my own bubbles. And my own bubbles. Oops, I'm making a mess. Oh no. Okay. Alright, I'm making a mess, guys. Okay. This stuff is messy. I was doing good until I lifted it up. Okay. Now I'm scared to lift that one. I don't want to make more of a mess. Alright guys, you know what? I'm going to leave this. I'm going to stop fiddling with it. And the next time you see it will be on the next time the next time you see this, we'll be unmolding it and doing the finishing touches. Alright? Until then, part. Alright everybody, guess what time it is? It is demolding time. Alright, so this is squishy, the molding time. We're going to do, I think this is the one that was sprayed with the whole mold release spray. It says to put Vaseline on your hands to remove this, but I'm gonna try to do it without it. But let's see. I might have to put some mold release spray on my gloves, but we'll see. Let's see. All right, so let's start with this one. Oof. Ooh. All right, wait, I think I watched people pull at it from the sides like that. Okay. So far, so good. Oh. A kitty. He's a cutie. Alright, that was one. Oh, wait. This is just, alright, let's move it. This is so cute. So cute. Little tail. That's his ear. Oops. Okay. These are so stinking cute. I think I left part of his ear here. No, no, I didn't. And now the hedgehog. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright, now it's time to decorate them. Alright. Please hold while we decorate. Well, stay tuned while we decorate. Alright, everybody, this is it. This is the result of these little cute little squishy animals. Look at them, they're so cute, aren't they cutie? Look at that little cute little things. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys will be notified each time I upload a video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever floats your boat. And leave a comment. Why? It's free. It's your boy, JR. Peace.